presenting a pre-owned 2017 Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Land Rover has less than 135,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.